Watch me earn $300 over and over again just by playing games and doing simple tasks on my phone. Curious about how I make it? I've got an awesome app for you. Stick around until the end, because I've got a special trick to help you earn 10 times more money than others. Sounds exciting, right? Let's get it on. Step 1. Download and sign up. First, download the new earning app called FireBee. After downloading, this is what the app will look like on your phone. Then, open FireBee and sign in with your Google or Gmail account. Once you're signed in, you'll see the FireBee dashboard. You'll get 50 coins for free just for signing up, which you can turn into money later. Step 2. Play games to earn money. Now that you're on the app's homepage, you'll see several options. Today, we'll focus on earning money by playing games and doing simple tasks. This app works in almost all countries. To get started, click on the Tasks button. This will show you different ways to make money online. To earn by playing games, click on Play Games and Earn Money. Some games that you can play are Ball Sort Puzzle, Prison Escape Game, Idle Furry Fishing, and Go Candy Game. Let me tell you how these games can benefit you. For Ball Sort Puzzle, you can earn over 1,000 coins. For the Prison Escape Game, you can earn over 5,000 coins. For the Idle Furry Fishing, you can also get over 5,400 coins. Lastly, for the Go Candy Game, say hi and get similar coins to the fishing game worth 5,400 coins as well. Moreover, you can also earn 70 coins by installing social media apps like the app. Just install, sign up, and you'll get 70 coins. No need to keep the app. For instance, let's use Woody Sort Ball Sort Puzzle as an example to show how you can earn money. First, click on the game to see the different levels you need to complete to earn coins. The game is divided into 6 parts, and you can earn a total of over 1,000 coins by completing these levels. As you progress through the game, you'll earn coins for each level you complete. These coins will be added to your FireBee account within 24 hours of finishing the levels. To get started, click the blue Earn button at the bottom of the screen. This will take you to the installation page for the game. Install the game on your device, start playing, and watch the coins add up as you complete each level. Each part of the game has specific levels and corresponding rewards. First, complete the first 50 levels to earn 14 coins. Next, reach 100 levels to earn an additional 25 coins. Then, get to 250 levels for another 39 coins, and so on. Just keep playing and progressing through the levels to maximize your earnings. Remember, the rewards will show up in your FireBee account within 24 hours of completing each level milestone. This is a fun and easy way to make money while enjoying a game. So, to summarize, click the Earn button, install the game, play through the levels, and watch the coins roll into your account. Enjoy playing and earning with Woody Sort Ball Sort Puzzle. Step 3. Earn extra money by completing tasks. To make some extra cash, go back to the app's homepage and tap on the Tasks button. Here's where you'll find plenty of simple ways to earn more coins. One easy option is to complete surveys. Click on Complete Surveys and Earn to see a list of available surveys. These surveys are straightforward and usually take between 10 to 15 minutes to complete. By finishing these surveys, you can earn a lot of coins. For example, there's a survey that lasts 99 minutes and rewards you with 1,500 coins. It's a great way to boost your earnings without much effort. You can make the process even easier by sorting the surveys. Use the settings icon to filter surveys by the shortest duration, best match for you, or highest paying. This way you can focus on the surveys that suit you best and pay the most. When you start a survey, you'll be asked a mix of personal and general questions. It's important to answer these questions honestly. The answers help match you with surveys that are a good fit, which can lead to higher earnings. Each survey will begin with some basic questions about you, like your age, gender, and interests. This information helps the app find surveys that are relevant to you. Once you've completed a survey, the coins will be added to your FireBee account. If you run out of surveys to complete, don't worry. New surveys are added regularly, so check back often to find new opportunities to earn. In addition to surveys, there are other tasks you can complete for extra coins. Look around the Tasks section to find various activities that pay well. Some tasks might involve trying out new apps, watching short videos, or participating in special offers. By regularly completing tasks and surveys, you can steadily increase your earnings on FireBee. It's a simple and effective way to make extra money in your spare time. Keep an eye out for new tasks and surveys, and take advantage of them to maximize your earnings. Step 4. Bonus tips to earn more. Let's talk about some extra tips to boost your earnings even more. Here are 3 simple ways to multiply your earnings by 10. Daily login rewards. It's like getting a bonus just for showing up. Every day you log into the FireBee app, you'll receive special bonus points. Just tap on the check-in button to collect your daily bonus. The more you log in consistently, the more points you'll rack up over time. It's an effortless way to steadily increase your earnings without doing anything extra. Watch rewarded ads. Hear about watch and earn? Well, it's true with FireBee. You can earn extra points by watching short ads that usually last between 15 to 30 seconds. Just tap on the Watch Ads button to get started. Each ad you watch will reward you with 1 FireBee point. It's a quick and easy way to earn points without breaking a sweat. Referral program. Sharing is caring, especially when it comes to earning money. With FireBee's referral program, you can earn a 20% commission on your friends' earnings forever. All you have to do is share your unique referral link with your friends through social media or directly with them. The more friends you invite to join FireBee, the more you can earn from their earnings. It's a win-win situation for everyone. Now, once you've accumulated enough points, you can cash out your earnings through various gift cards available in the app. And there you have it. With these simple tips, you can turbocharge your earnings on FireBee. By logging in daily, watching rewarded ads, and inviting friends through the referral program, you can multiply your earnings tenfold. Plus, with the option to cash out your earnings through various gift cards, the possibilities are endless. But now we want to hear from you. What other strategies do you use to maximize your earnings on apps like FireBee? Share your thoughts and tips in the comments below. We can't wait to hear from you. So keep earning, keep saving, and keep enjoying the rewards of your efforts. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest tips and tricks. This is Profitability Plus, helping you make the most of your time online. Happy earning, and we'll see you in the next video.